Morning, this cold January morning. I'm Alexander Wolf. We're here in Bridgeport, Connecticut. Outside air temperature is about minus 8 degrees, and we're going to test the cold starting characteristics of the electronic ignition. Hope you enjoy it. Okay, master's on. Electronic ignition's on. Let's go ahead and prime this guy. Let's see if it goes. That's pretty good. No real surprises, no real hiccups. It just starts. Engine monitor indications, all fairly normal, even at really cold temperatures. Back, and I think I call that a successful test. Basically started on the third blade and just sort of chugged along until it caught its breath. So I think it's a step in the right direction for cold weather operation.